Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you 3 easy Easter DIY decor ideas. So the first one we're going to be making is some faux ceramic looking Easter eggs. So what you're going to get is the paint, any color paint you want. I decided on white. Then you're going to mix that paint up with some baking soda. And I can't really give you the ratios. I guess you could say 2 to 1 if you want the thinness of that baking soda. It just all depends on how thick you want your paint and how much of that ceramic style or look you want for whatever you're painting. What you're going to do is you're going to grab the large Easter eggs from Dollar Tree, and you're just going to pop them apart, and you're going to paint each Easter egg half with your paint. What I did was I gave it about 3 coats of paint, allowing each paint coat to dry in between. So once you're done doing that, you're basically going to see how thick each coat is. So you can decide if you want 2, 3, or 4, or even more coats of paint on each Easter egg. Once your egg is completely dry, grab one half and then your hot glue gun, and you're going to make any kind of design you want with your hot glue gun onto your egg half. So I decided on this one just to make a simple swirl and just kind of add as many as I wanted, as many as I thought would fit onto each Easter egg half. And that's how the first one half looks. And then just go ahead and do the same thing on the second half. This is where it's so creative and you can make any kind of design. You can add names, dates, whatever you like onto here, because it's like a pen, writing with a pen with your hot glue gun. On the second egg, I decided to make it even simpler and just make lines. So I just did lines on either end of the Easter egg half. So by the time I was done with my second egg, my first egg was completely dry. And if you like this look of the clear hot glue onto your egg, you can basically leave it as is and just be done with your DIY, or you can make it a different color. So what I decided to do was just grab 2 different lighter colors. I got like this goldish brown color, and I just kind of whitewashed or washed each Easter egg half with the paint. So what I did was I just dipped my paintbrush into water and then into my paint, and just keep adding little by little the paint onto each Easter egg half. Once I liked the way it looked, I went ahead and did the same thing on the second half. And since you're not adding that much paint onto your Easter egg, it basically dries within a few minutes. Then I just added like a moss green onto the second egg. So once you're done painting both of your Easter egg halves, all you're going to do is just snap them back together. Now, I haven't had any problems from them popping open, but if you're worried about that, just add some hot glue or E6000 around the edge and then pop it together and let it completely dry. So our second DIY is something to carry with you at any potluck, or if you're going to take some desserts. All you're going to do is use your Cricut or even some stickers from Dollar Tree, and you're going to make any kind of design you want for Easter, or even you can put the initials of whoever you're giving this to as a gift. So just go ahead and cut out any kind of design you like. I decided to make it really simple and just use this boho style Easter egg with florals, and I used a brown, white, and like a tan brown color, and just made a few of the different colors of these Easter eggs. Then I grabbed my cake holder, and all I did was just clean it up really good and let it completely dry, and I just started adding my Easter eggs all around the edges of my cake holder. Now you can put them on top if you like. It's just completely up to you where you want to add your stickers. I went ahead and just added them on the edge of my cake holder. Now on the cake holder, you're going to see that it has some little lines, and it's basically they're evenly spread out. So that's what I use to add each one of my Easter eggs. I just added one of those decals on each one of those lines. Just make sure you rub it on really good. Even if you have a blow dryer or something like that, when you're done adding your stickers or your decals, just go ahead and run the blow dryer around it just to get it hot, and then that way it'll seal better and it'll stay on even if you wash it. Just don't put it in the dishwasher. So like I said, I decided to keep it more of a boho color styles, or even if you want to say it's more like a farm style look. So once I was done adding all my Easter eggs, all I did was just grab some more ribbons and just decided to add a little knot of ribbons right on top of the handle. And I just tied it. I didn't add any glue or anything like that because, again, if you want to wash this, you can remove them, wash it really good, and then add them back on if you like, or take them off. And then to keep with the Easter egg theme, I added one of these wooden Easter eggs from Dollar Tree as well. And for our next DIY, I went to Bath & Body Works and I saw that they had some soap dispenser holders, and I thought they were so cute, but they were kind of pricey. So I decided to make my own using some Dollar Tree supplies. What I did was grab one of these ceramic soap dish plates, and then also one of the ceramic Easter eggs that they had there. Now there's quite a few different ones. Just grab whichever one you like. They even have some with initials if you want to personalize it. Add some E6000 and hot glue to your Easter egg and soap dish, and then add your dish to that corner, and there you have it, an adorable soap dispenser holder. So I hope you enjoyed all these DIY ideas. This is the way they all look once they're all completely done. And if you did enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.